Cloud DNS, simplifying your domain management. Welcome to Host. Today, we'll explore the features and benefits of Cloud DNS, a comprehensive DNS management solution. Introduction to Cloud DNS. Cloud DNS is designed to simplify and enhance your domain management experience. Let's dive into the features that make Cloud DNS the go-to choice for businesses worldwide. Anycast Network. Cloud DNS offers a powerful Anycast DNS network with over 34 points of presence across the globe. This ensures faster query responses and improved reliability, reducing latency and enhancing user experience. DDoS protection. Security is a top priority. Cloud DNS includes robust DDoS protection, safeguarding your domain against malicious attacks and ensuring continuous availability. Manage DNS services. Managing your DNS has never been easier. With Cloud DNS's user-friendly interface, you can effortlessly manage your DNS records, zones, and settings from a single dashboard. Secondary DNS Failover. Enhance your DNS resilience with Secondary DNS and DNS Failover. This feature ensures your domain remains accessible even if your primary DNS server experiences downtime. GeoDNS and Load Balancing. Optimize your traffic routing with GeoDNS and Load Balancing. GeoDNS directs users to the nearest server based on their location, while load balancing distributes traffic evenly, preventing server overloads. DNS. Keep your domain updated in real time with Dynamic DNS. This feature automatically updates your DNS records when your IP address changes, ensuring uninterrupted service. DNSSEC and security features. Cloud DNS supports DNSSEC, adding an extra layer of security to your domain by preventing DNS spoofing and ensuring data integrity. API access and integrations. Automate and integrate your DNS management with Cloud DNS's powerful API. Seamlessly connect with your existing systems and streamline your workflows. 24/7 customer support. Our dedicated customer support team is available 24/7 to assist you with any queries or issues, ensuring you always have the help you need. Want to learn more? Visit our website, www.excelhost.cloud.